Hey, Alex. Alex, we're going to let her. Okay, Abby. Remember what I said. Is it spinning? Okay, Abby, it's there. Yep, you just pull that part out, set that on the ice next to it. Set. Yank hard, Abby. Okay, now.
Is it on? Yeah.
Careful. Try not to hit his head on the ice. Just get it up through. Way to go!
Oh yeah.
Good job.